The Supreme Court of India heard the Abhaya rape and murder case and has taken up the status report filed by the CBI. In fact, the top court has also sought a fresh status report from the probe agency and has also posed major questions before the Bengal government. The next hearing will take place on September 17th when the CBI will submit a fresh status report in the case. Meanwhile, the political face-off has erupted between the TMC and the centre. Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has cried conspiracy and has blamed the centre for trying to dodge responsibility in the case, while the BJP, on the other hand, has trained guns on Mamata Banerjee and demanded her resignation. Listen in.
স্টেট গভর্নমেন্টের উপর আপনারা চাপিয়ে দেবেন আর মিথ্যে কথা বলবেন আমরা দিইনি, এটা ঠিক নয়। আমরা 3টি জায়গা দিয়েছি, কিন্তু আপনি যদি রোজ সংখ্যা বাড়ান বাংলাটাকে গ্রাস করবার জন্য, পুলিশের হাত থেকে সবটাই কেড়ে নিতে চান রাজ্য সরকারকে, কেন্দ্রীয় সরকারের এর মধ্যে পুরো চক্রান্ত আছে। আমি কোর্টকে কোনো ব্যাপারে একটি কমেন্টসও করব না, বিকজ উই আর বাউন্ড টু অ্যাকসেপ্ট দ্য কোর্ট ভার্ডিক্ট। কিন্তু মনে রাখবেন কেন্দ্রীয় সরকারের সম্পূর্ণ চক্রান্ত আছে এবং আরও কয়েকটা লেফট পার্টিস, দে আর অলসো ইনভলভ ইন দিস কনস্পিরেসি।
निर्ममता बनर्जी जो कि मुख्यमंत्री है पश्चिम बंगाल की, गृह मंत्री का विभाग है और स्वास्थ्य मंत्रालय है उनके पास, वो भक्षक बनी हुई हैं। उनको शर्म नहीं आ रही है किस तरह से उन्होंने ये सही नहीं समझा कि वो पीड़िता के परिवार के साथ खड़ी हो, वो रेपिस्ट के साथ खड़ी हो सकती है। भारत के मुख्य न्यायाधीश जो कि सुप्रीम कोर्ट के 3 जजेस की बेंच में बैठे थे, सुनवाई कर रहे थे, उन्होंने पूछा और मैं कोट कर रहा हूं, जो रिपोर्टिंग आई है, अभी ऑर्डर नहीं आया है। द ऑनरेबल चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ इंडिया सेज देयर वाज एटलीस्ट अ 14-hour डिले टू रजिस्टर द एफआईआर। नंबर 1, क्या यह सिद्ध नहीं हो गया कि आप विफल रही? क्या यह आपकी जिम्मेदारी नहीं है कि आप इस्तीफा दें? आई रिपीट, द पॉलीग्राफ टेस्ट ऑफ द चीफ मिनिस्टर ममता बनर्जी as well as the arrest of Mamata Banerjee could be imperative to ensure that there is justice given to the family members of the deceased and to every citizen of the country.
Well, we have Kishlay joining us live from the Kolkata newsroom. Kishlay, the Supreme Court has posed some pertinent questions before the Bengal police and the Mamata Banerjee administration. But Mamata Banerjee, on the other hand, continues to blame the centre and saying that she has ensured security at 3 different places. But she ensured security after the Abhaya incident. Why does Mamata Banerjee have a habit of shifting the blame onto the centre every single time there's violence or rape and murder case happening in West Bengal, Kishlay?
Well, Deepak, exactly. The Supreme Court came down heavily on the West Bengal government as well as the Chief Minister and her administration, saying at one hand there was a complete disaster in the name of investigation in the initial phase. How the Kolkata police handled the whole investigation in the primary phase was complete disaster, was well pointed out by the Supreme Court. At one hand, they pointed out how there was no challan when the body was dispatched. There has to be a challan or a form that is filled up when a body is taken from the place of crime or place of occurrence to post-mortem. That is not found. Kapil Sibal had to say that we don't have that right now. So that's how the West Bengal government could not answer pertinent questions of the Chief Justice or the bench. On the other hand, the Chief Justice pointed out that there has to be enough arrangement for the CISF, especially the women personnel who have arrived here, in order to provide security to the patients and doctors of R.G. Kar Hospital. On the other hand, Mamata Banerjee held a press conference today pointing out that they have given 3 different locations for the habilitation of the Arjikor CISF security personnel. These are the 3 places where the CISF personnel needs to be put up, or they have to be given accommodation. On the other hand, the Solicitor General pointed out in the Supreme Court that from these 3 places, 2 places are not yet delivered or handed over to the CISF. 1 place has been handed over, and also there are requirements of vehicles of transportation and equipments which are not yet provided by the state government. Mamata Banerjee replied to this in her press conference by saying that what else can we give? Should we also provide the uniform for the CISF security personnel? We are providing food, we are providing their accommodation. Should we now provide uniforms too? So Mamata Banerjee clearly trying to oppose this whole system of bringing in CISF personnel, saying that it is the strategy of the central government to take over the state government by bringing in more security personnel. However, it's a fact that the Supreme Court instructed CISF deployment, and that is why they are here. Therefore, complete blasphemy and complete lies of Mamata Banerjee in a series of events exposed, and now again today's press conference exposed how she thinks that it's a strategy of the central government to take over the state government with the help of CISF personnel, which is of course not true, because we know it has been done under the order of the Supreme Court. So at one hand, scathing rebuttal by the Supreme Court Chief Justice's bench to West Bengal government's administration. On the other hand, that press conference exposed Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee about her true intentions. Deepak.
Right, Krishlai, many thanks for joining me with those details. There's no Chalan viewers, there's no complete CCTV footage, and finally, there are no answers from the Mamata Banerjee administration.